What up, YouTube? You know what I mean? It's your boy Mook, back at y'all with another video. And today we got another cop, you feel me? Went out and scooped my wife up something, you know what I mean? And cause she just said she wanted a gun, you know what I mean, for her own safety. She don't have to, besides what we got around the house, when she go out, she wanna be able to, you know what I mean, have her own fire. So, went out, found one for a good price. Been hearing about it, you know what I mean? Everybody saying it's a good gun. They ain't had no problems out of it, so, you know, we got it. We gonna find out what's to it, you know what I mean? But, go ahead and get into it. We got this right here, man. It's Taurus, man. And if y'all know what's going on, you pretty much know what we got here. So, Taurus G2C, you know what I mean? And, listen, it come with extra mag. Got it loaded already though, 12 round. This one was an old mag we had from a PT-111. Got another mag right here. I got my serial numbers covered, but I don't know why niggas do it, but I'm gonna do it. You feel me? I'm gonna cover ours too. Yeah, but man, y'all see it, man. It's in purple. You know what I'm saying? Nice, man. I like it. Got your safety right there. You know what I mean? She damn sure wanted the safety. You know what I mean? More lock back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, nice. Says manufactured in Bainbridge, Georgia. You feel me? Folk down there in Bainbridge, throwing something together. And whipped up that new tar, the thing clean though. I like it. Feel real good in the hand. Down there feel like a Glock or something. You know what I mean? It's real similar to a Glock 26, man. To me, it really ain't too much difference. It really ain't too much difference between G2C Glock 26. Not too much. But the price point on this is lovely, man. We got this gun out the door for about $250. You know what I mean? And it got a little style on it. Purple is royalty, you know. My woman love purple. I ain't gonna say she love purple, but she like it better than some pink or just an all black gun, you know what I mean? So, it got a little style to it, you know what I mean? You take this down as you would any other gun. You know what I'm saying? Take it down. It's got the double spring. See, it's made real similar to the Glock 26. Spring, barrel, you know. Whoa, keep, clean little barrel. She want a different kind of barrel. We seen her like a, you know, the rainbow color stuff. She want one of them, so we gonna look into it. We seen that on Taurus.com. Shit, overall, man, we ain't shot it yet, but we're gonna definitely take it to the range sometime this week. Get y'all some video on that. We take them to the range, see what they do. You know what I mean? like I say, I've been seeing other videos on the internet about them, and shit, they've been pretty good. Nobody complained about it. What's going on? Oh, okay. Yeah, that thing all the way down. Yeah, but I've been seeing a lot of videos online, man. That's what made us go ahead and get it. Trigger on it the trigger on it is kind of long, you know what I mean? But it's all right. It's okay. Need to do. Just gotta get used to shooting. You know what I'm saying? And the cool thing about this gun though, it's got this, it re-trigger by itself, right? So you know, any other gun, you pull the trigger, you gotta let the slide come back for the trigger to reset. But this one here got that double strike. So it keep firing. It's like if you, they say the way it works is if, you know, there's sometimes the striker don't always, the pin don't always hit the what's the name good. So you can goddamn just pull the trigger again and hopefully the round will go off again. But if anything, man, if I squeeze it and it don't go off, I just re-rack it. I ain't gonna trust that bullet, you know what I mean, to be trying to shoot it again. Shit, who knows what could happen. But like I say, bro, we're gonna take this out to the range. Taurus G2C. We're gonna take out the Glock 26, and we're gonna just take them out and see what they do. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Nice little gun though, man. Like I say, we're gonna get back at y'all with more videos, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know goddamn what you looking forward to seeing. Like I say, I'm bringing more video. I got a review on my AR I wanna do, so that I've been building. And another gun too. I got AR-47 build and AR-556, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna bring y'all them reviews, and then I'm thinking about copying me a new shotgun, man. Like I say, man, no bullpups or something. So y'all get down in the comments, let me know, man, what y'all trying to, what gun y'all think I should cop next, you feel me? What you'll like to see on the channel, man, come keep dropping, you know what I'm saying? So, and we're gonna have a couple upgrades come for these, you know, for this one right here too, definitely. Cause I know she don't wanna just leave the plane, so. After we take it out and work with it a little bit, we'll get back at y'all with some updates, tell you how we like it, tell you if she don't like it. But overall, I think she gonna enjoy it, you know what I mean? So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and just stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Mook though, I'm out.